If you are looking for a home loan to purchase your home or property, or if you are looking for loan on your existing property, it is very important to know the difference between the three categories of loan, which is home loan, mortgage loan, and loan against property. In this video, we will be talking about the difference in detail about the three categories of loan and the key difference between all the three. So stay tuned with me till the end of the video. So let's go ahead with the first mentioned loan, which is the home loan. As the name itself suggests, home loan means घर के लिए loan, right? Home loan. And in today's world, we keep on hearing about home loan from different banks offering home loan at different rates. Many people go with the EMI option for home loan. What exactly is a home loan? Home loan is a loan which you take to purchase a home or a property. Now, who gives you loan for that? There are various financial institutions and banks which give you loan to purchase a property. And your loan is secured by that property. So bank give you financing based on the property. So what does that mean? That means in case you are unable to repay the loan amount to the bank after the certain period, as mentioned in the agreement, if you are not able to pay the EMI or if you are not able to repay the loan amount to the bank has all rights to seize your property and take it under its umbrella. So that is about home loan, and it comes with different rates, fixed and floating rates. And generally the tenure of home loan is a long-term tenure ranging from 10 to 30 years. Now coming to the next one, which is mortgage loan. What does mortgage loan means? Mortgage loan means when you take a loan for buying another property and that loan is secured by your existing property. Which means I already have an existing property and I want a loan to buy another property. So now what do I have to give as a security to bank? I have my existing property to be kept as security to purchase a new property. And in this, the amount of loan will depend on the current market value of the existing property which I am giving as a security. First thing. Now second is the interest rate for mortgage loan is lower than any other loans, and the repayment schedule for this loan is also in a long term perspective, like 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. And now let's talk about another category of loan, which is loan against property. What exactly is loan against property? Loan against property means when anyone is taking a loan from banks or any financial institution against a existing property which is in their name. That means if I want a loan, I will go to the bank and ask for a loan. So bank or financial institution will ask me some security. In that case, when I give my property as a security for that loan, that is called loan against property. Now you may ask that Krishna, just now you are talking similar for mortgage loan. Now what is the difference between mortgage loan and loan against property? So the key difference between both of them are mortgage loan is taken to purchase another property, but loan against property is taken against a property, and that particular loan you can use it for any other purpose. You might have some other requirement. You might want loan for your business. You might want loan for any of your personal usage. So if you want a loan and the amount will also be a bigger amount, so you may not get a personal loan or any other loan in that such a huge amount. So you may want to go ahead with loan against property, where you get a loan against your existing property and you can utilize that loan for your personal or business or any other usage. And loan against property also you get at both the options of fixed and floating rates, and the repayment tenure is different from mortgage and home loan. It is shorter than mortgage and home loan. Now going back to the key summaries of what we discussed in today's video and key difference of three categories of loan. Home loan is a loan which is usually for a longer period in comparison to mortgage loan and loan against property. Home loan we take for buying a new property. Mortgage loan and loan against property is a loan which you take against your existing property. Third is the interest component or interest percentage on a mortgage loan is usually lower than the home loan or loan against property. And the fourth important key difference is that in home loan you can go with a higher amount of loan in comparison to mortgage loan and loan against property. In nutshell, choose the right type of loan for your usage according to your requirement, and then go ahead by selecting the appropriate loan, appropriate bank and appropriate financial institution. If you want to buy a new home and you do not have any existing property, then you can go with home loan. If you already have an existing property, you can choose this option and compare and see the interest percentage, because ultimately interest is something which is an expenditure for you. It doesn't add to the value of the asset or property you purchase. So choose wisely, go with the right category of loan which you want according to the usage, and take an informed decision. Hope this video was helpful with understanding the key difference between home loan, mortgage loan and loan against property. Thank you so much for watching. If you were able to resonate any of the points which is mentioned in today's video, do comment under the comment section and like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Namaste.